what you see behind me is my turmeric field. My turmeric is now ready and today we are going to harvest it. In this video, I am going to explain you in detail how we have prepared for the harvesting and how we are harvesting. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, this is my organic field where we have planted turmeric. We have planted this turmeric into the month of April-May and now it is the start of the February. We have prepared for the harvesting. Now before harvesting, what we have done, after January 15, we have stopped the water. So our turmeric skin get little hard and it will have a minimum damage while we dig it out. After the drying it up, we have just given few small quantity of water to make the harvest easy, as we are going to harvest it manually. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we are harvesting this turmeric and what is the quality of the turmeric we are getting. So let's see the harvesting process and the turmeric. Friends, now we have started our turmeric harvesting work. So first we are cleaning all the mulching and all the residues of the other crop from the area. Once we clean it, then we need to dig it out. Now we can either use the tool or we can do it manually. So here we are going to do it manually because it's a small space and we cannot accommodate any tool. Now here you can see the people are digging it with the tool. So here we have zigzag pattern, and what we are doing, we are tilling with this lump and cleaning it. And here you can see the very good harvest of the turmeric. You can just see that. You can just see this lump. From this one node, you can see the many are there. All this turmeric coming like this. So we need to do it manually, all this, and then we will sort it out and do it the process. But here you can see the fingers. Here you can see the mother rhizomes, and you can see the amount of the turmeric set on each of the turmeric bunch. So now we are first going to complete this. After this separation, we'll let it be settled and clean and then do the process. Friends, now you can see that our digging work for the turmeric is over and we have got lot of turmeric from this area. From these 5 lines, we have got almost 20 bags of this turmeric. Now if you estimate this is going to happen around 600 kg of the turmeric from these 5 lines. So on an average we have got 120 kg per line. Now our input weight was around 45 to 46 kg dry weight. You can consider the weight around 50 kg. So roughly we have got 12 to 13 times yield from the input, and this considered to be a very good yield. So this is the way we got very good yield with the organic farming. Here you can see the bags and the turmeric and the size of the turmeric also. So we have got turmeric in a multiple as well as good in size. So this way organic turmeric yields very well. Now I'll show you some of the evidence or the proof why we are successful in this. So if you see this is our soil, and you can see over here, this all you see are the worm casting. So lot of worm movement is there. Also we do lot of mulching and also do some manuring with the cow dung manure. So all this put together makes our soil very healthy and give us this result. So if you are also interested in growing your own organic turmeric, you prepare your soil well and grow your turmeric for the upcoming season. We are going to sow it again after 1.5 to 2 months, and I will put you update on that. But before that, we are going to collect this turmeric all and process it. So ready to grow turmeric for the next season. I will update you how to prepare your land and sow the turmeric in a short time. Meanwhile, take care of soil. Happy growing.